Hello everyone, I am Amira Sheikh and I have completed my task 3 for my internship at the Sparks Foundation. The task was exploratory data analysis in the retail sector. The aim was to find out the weak areas where you can work to make profit and find the business problems by using the exploratory data analysis. We are analyzing profit and sales data for USA. So I have displayed the map of USA over here. The dark red bubbles display the highest sales and profits gained in the states, and as the size decreases, it is found that the profit and sales in that region is low. We can see that California has the highest sales and profits in the entire nation, followed by New York and Washington, whereas the states such as Pennsylvania and Ohio have the least sales and are facing losses. We are analyzing the data on 49 states of USA and 531 cities, and the total sales is pretty low compared to the total profit. So we will look at the areas where we can increase the sales and profit ratio. In the region-wise profit, we can see that West and the East regions are doing well as they are making profits of 108.33k dollars and 191.51k dollars, which is better than the profits of Central and the Southern region. The profit of office supplies and technology is notable in all the four regions, but the profit gained by furniture is very low. In fact, there is a loss in the furniture sector in the central region. So the sales of furniture should be looked after, especially in the central region. Moving further, here the bar graphs represent the discount provided by each state, the sales of each state, profit gained, and the quantity sold of the items. In Illinois, we can see that the discount provided is maximum, but the quantity of the goods sold is average. So we should look into the matter. New York, Florida, Indiana, and Texas, these states are doing well as the sales, quantity, and profit made are up to the mark. The major reason of concern is the South Dakota, North Carolina, Ohio, Kansas, etc., because the profit in this region is equal to zero or almost negative. To understand how these states can cope up with the losses is by looking at some of these factors. Shipwise profit and sales. Most of the customers prefer standard class of delivery because it might be free or cheap, but the same day makes less profit and less sales because in most of the cases it is paid. So we must pay attention at giving the customers a standard class delivery in low or minimal prices. The category of buyers that purchase and bring profit is consumers, corporate, and home office, but the majority of sales and profit is obtained from the consumers. So we must note that we should bring services or products that would benefit the home office and the corporate sectors. Maximum profit is made by sale of tech gadgets, and the second is office supplies, but the profit and sales of furniture is very low, so we need to focus on it. Now looking at the subcategory wise profit and sales, here we have three subcategories: furniture, office supplies, and technologies, and the factors are sales, profit, and discount. In the technology, we can see that this sector is working according to the strategy, that is the sales is high, profit made is also good, and the discount is minimal. In the office supplies, the sales and profit is good for supplies, storage, paper, etc. But for binders, we can see that the sales and profit is moderate, but the discount provided is very high. So we can reduce the discount of binders. We need to focus more on the furniture part. The sales is average, but there is a loss in the tables and the bookcases despite of giving a discount. Hence we should stop the sales of bookcases and tables and focus on the other furnishing items. So to conclude, the sales and profit in the West region is better than all other regions except for Colorado, Arizona, Oregon. In the East and the South regions, the sales and the profit is not proper in Ohio, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Florida. For the entire central region, we need to work more to increase the revenues. It could be possible by bringing products that are useful for the consumers and improvising the products made from home and corporate sectors. Lastly, we need to highly look into the furniture category and remove the products that are not bringing profits. So with this I complete my task 3. Thank you.